Biboong.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok?
Few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 3 in Malahati class. We will to make fried egg. My name is Aura Dawiyanti Zahra.
Everyone, my name is Tisha Allah.
Hello everyone, my name is Ivan.
Hello, my name is Vita Fitriani.
Hello everyone, my name is King.
The first step, prepare the tools we need here. Spoon, plate, soup pail, and pen.
The second step, prepare the ingredients we need here. 2 eggs, salt, and cooking oil.
After that, we start to make fried eggs. Let's follow step by step. The first step is prepare the eggs and break them. Then, stir the eggs in a container using a spoon. The second step, prepare a pan with oil. Last, pour in the 3 eggs.